Hello friends, welcome to your own channel, Daily Talk. Before we start, I'd like you to subscribe the channel. About the company Cipla Limited. Cipla Limited is an Indian multinational pharmaceutical company headquartered in Mumbai, India. Cipla primarily develops medicines to treat respiratory, cerebrovascular disease, arthritis, diabetes, weight control, and depression, other medical conditions. It is one of the leading pharmaceutical companies in India and is fourth ranked in pharmaceutical companies of India by market capitalization as of 2020. The P ratio of the company is 39.52. The sector P ratio is 39.80. It indicates that the company is not expensive, neither cheap as compared to sector P. The PB ratio of the company is 3.80 and the sector PB ratio is 4.84. It shows the book value of the company is cheaper than the sector book value, but it does not matter as the company's growth is good. The dividend yield of the company is 0.52% and the sector dividend yield is 0.51%. There is not a big difference between the sector dividend yield and the company's dividend yield, but the company's profit increase every year, thereby promising good returns for the investors. The chart of revenue and profit of the company shows increasing trend for 2017 to 2020, thus indicating the growth of the company. The revenue of the company in 2017 was 14.62 thousand crores and in 2020 it is 7.47 thousand crores. And the profit of the company in 2017 was 1,000 crores and in 2020 it is 1.54 thousand crores. The promoter holding of the company is 36.69%. The promoter has the highest holding compared to other holders. The promoter holder pattern has been same for the last 6 quarters, indicating there is no dilution and the company is stable. The top line that indicates revenue of the company in 2018 was 15,513 crores annually, which increased to 17,476 crores annually in 2020. The bottom line that indicates profit of the company in 2018 was 1,419 crores annually, which increased to 1,546 crores annually in 2020. The EPS of the company on March 2018 was Rs 17.53, which increased to Rs 19.19 in 2020. The book value of the company has also increased to Rs 190.45 to Rs 199.16 from March 2018 to 2020. The dividend of the company before March 2020 was Rs 3, which increased to Rs 4. Overall, it indicates that there was increase in the value of shares, thus ensuring good earning for investor on per share. The gross profit margin of company on March 2018 was 21% and is 20.72% in March 2020. The operating margin of the company on March 2018 was 12.28% and is 13.86% in March 2020. The net profit margin on March 2018 was 9.36% and 9.02% in March 2020. The margin of the company are almost same from 2018 to 2020, thus ensuring the stability of profit of the company. The return on net worth of the company on March 2018 was 9.91% and it increased to 10.17% in 2019, but it decreased to 9.81% in March 2020. Return on capital increased from 9.78% in March 2018 to 12.32% in March 2020. The return on asset has remained stable as it was 16.17% in March 2018 and 6.53% in March 2020. Despite the 1% decrease in the return on net worth, return on capital employed increased by 1%. So overall, the company earning capacity is increasing every year. The current ratio should be 2:1 as of any company. The company's current ratio in March 2018 was 2.82. The ratio increased to 3.29 in March 2019, but in March 2020 came down to 2.66, thus ensuring good short-term solvency. The quick ratio should be 1:1 of any company. The company's quick ratio was 1.67 in March 2018 and it increased to 2.24 in March 2019, but it came down to 1.67 in March 2010. Thus ensuring good liquidity in company. The debt to equity ratio of company has decreased from 0.29 in March 2018 to 0.18 in March 2020, thus reducing the company's liability. Paying the debt has decreased the cash in the company. which has led to decrease in the interest in the coverage ratio of the company from 16.29 in March 2018 to 12.04 in March 2020. The 3-year cigar sale ratio of the company was 15.58 in March 2018, which decreased to 6.93 in March 2019, with the company's increase of profit to 9.10 in March 2020. Same happened in the 3-year cigar net profit ratio. The company's 3-year cigar net profit ratio was 6.38 in March 2018, which decreased to 4.01 in March 2019, but increased to 21.82 in March 2020. The revenue from operation of company of 14-15 financial year was 11,345 crores, which has increased to 17,132 crores in the financial year of 1920. The EBITDA margin of the company in the financial year of 14-15 was 24.7% and it is 25.4% in the financial year of 1920. The chart indicates the company's capacity to pay debt have remained almost same every year. The PAT margin of the company in the financial year of 14-15 was 10.4% and it is 9.0% in the financial years of 1920. The chart indicates that the company's PAT margin has remained almost same every year. The company ensures to invest in research and development every year according to the requirement. More about the company. It has responsible resources consumption for society. It has enhanced access and affordability of the medical worldwide. It has achieved robust financial growth. It has diverse and talented workforce. It has cut-edge technology and solution to deliver operational excellence. It is improving the lives of our stakeholders as a strong partner of choice. Its current market price is 755.85 and as we can see that the 5 years high is rupees 89.29. So if you want to buy the share, you can start buying at the price of rupees 700, or if you want to buy the share in large quantity, then you can consult your financial advisor or do on your own research. Thank you. Please like and subscribe the video. If you want a video on a particular share, please comment below. Thank you.